In this video, I'll show you how to spawn any vehicle in GTA San Andreas using mods. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the CLEO and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First up here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Go back, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Select these files except these three folders. Select all the files and drag and drop inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open the cheat menu, copy to the game folder, drag and drop this CLEO inside of a game folder, and then go back, open the .exe, drag and drop this exe. I look on the 14,000 KB and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press the Ctrl C to open up these cheats. Use the down arrow and up arrow to choose options. To select option, press the spacebar key. To go back, press the enter key. Now you can select the spawn vehicles. Select sports cars. Select set 1 or set 2. Select the car you like. Cheat activated, as you can see. This way you can spawn any car you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.